Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Monday. So, what is one thing that we could do right now to begin reawakening to our love for ourselves, to self-love? What is that one thing that we could implement today? And that is really paying attention to your thoughts and emotions and what you are doing on a daily basis if it is sabotaging you on your journey to self-love. Because a lot of times we say or do things and they're actually a contradiction to where we want to go. Or sometimes we might say, hey, I need to take better care of myself, or do X, Y, and Z so that I can feel better about myself. But then you turn around and begin to not take care of yourself and take care of everyone around you instead. You give everyone or everything your energy, and then you have nothing left for yourself. So this is one thing that we can begin to implement today, is recognizing where we might be sabotaging our own healing process, our own self-love process. What are we avoiding when we say that we want this self-love, when we say that we want this healing, but then we don't take the steps or we don't implement it? So what is it that, why are we sabotaging that? Why are we not moving forward with that? Why are we not taking care of ourselves, doing that healing, doing that inner work? I know it can be really daunting. It can be challenging at times, but it is so, so worth it. So look at where you are sabotaging and not taking care of yourself, not beginning to put yourself first. And I'm not saying that we don't take care of other people around us or take care of situations or do those things that are expected to us, like at work or wherever. But sometimes that can drag us down, or other people can basically take up a lot of our time. So we have to reflect on that and take a step back and go, how can I guard this time? How can I guard my energy while still balancing and giving of myself, or helping out, or being of assistance, or being of service? But also, I need to recharge my batteries. I need to do what feels right for me. So this is a lot of internal work. It's a lot of going in. It's a lot of recognizing where you might be sabotaging that process, maybe out of fear of like feeling more or experiencing old emotions or old memories. So look at where you might be sabotaging that growth, that expansion, that healing, that love for yourself. Where you might be putting the walls up, the blocks up, come up with certain excuses that, you don't have time, or you have to do this, or, your family needs you. And I get all that, but you also have to take care of you, your mental, emotional, spiritual, physical health, all of that, so that you have more of that energy to give to others, to other situations. So really reflect on that this week. Begin to implement those steps. Look at where you're sabotaging things, where you're not doing what you really want to do, and begin to make small changes. So I hope this helped you. Take care.